So we've got some shopping stuff now. Now I'm gonna get a little bit, see if there's any spices or something from the supermarkets, and then we go home and start cooking up some food and seeing if it was all worth it. Yeah. Yeah, it should be in there. Cook a little stew on. See what's going on. See what it's about. I don't think I've cooked over here yet, so this will be interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna just walk back to the hostel now, and I'll start cooking these things up. I'll probably get back to you if anything else comes up before that.